Right, so let's look at the languages with inside the digital zone and some of the key features of them. So the subjects themselves, French, German, and Spanish, aim to show a little bit of the culture and also the different elements of the language that's spoken in France, Germany, and Spain. So you should find that there is within each of the topics, we're looking at societal things, what it's like to go to school, uh, college with inside the different countries. But you should find that in each one there is language elements
La revision.
that should
Les activités D.
speak to us.
Les matières et les activités. Qu'est ce que tu aimes faire au lycée / à la fac?
Okay, so those elements are in there, and there's also the answers. So if you just roll over on the cursor,
Apprendre le vocabulaire.
you should hear the actual pronunciation. But within inside the tests, you should find that there are elements in the test that you can actually hear spoken phrase. So in this case, we have this.
Mes frères me taquinent tout le temps.
Okay, and just select whichever one you think it is.
Ils veulent toujours savoir ce qui se passe dans ma vie.
Okay, and then there are other elements within inside the system that so there's a little translator that we can translate from English into French.
Bonjour, comment vas-tu?
And then we've got various phrases and words. We can get the translation or we can just speak it.
Lundi. Mardi.
And then you should find most of the words and phrases from the book actually within inside this page here.
Je me dispute avec mes parents à cause.
Okay, so the same goes that for the other languages covered within inside N5 and higher. So you should be able to go to the German subject. And again, we're looking at the cultural understanding of society, learning, employability, culture within inside Germany. And then the elements that we have, each of the pages should show some speech using the German language.
Streit mit der Familie. Gibt es oft Streit?
Okay, so again, the test should also have language elements in them. And if we now look at Spanish, Spanish again is split up into the various elements that we've seen before: society, learning, employability, to understand different cultures and how they integrate their language. And we should find, hopefully, that we'll have a Spanish speaker here. of these elements.
Las discusiones.
Okay.